everybody. So today I wanted to bring you a Tip Tuesday about how to actually return in a text message. So normally when you're sending a text message and you hit return or enter to go to the next line, you'll see that it just sends right away, right? But sometimes we want to have that space and that extra line and actually space apart what we're saying and not have it automatically send, right? So for that, what we can do is we can actually hit shift and then return or enter on your keyboard, and it will do this. So we can say, blah, 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 shift, return, and it will actually keep going down that line. And then we can keep sending, and keep doing this, and then hit enter alone by itself to actually send the message, or you can hit the little send button down here. But like you, I've also needed this capability, and I want to shout out to Michelle for actually teaching this on open office hours yesterday. So make sure you're coming to open office hours to learn any tips and tricks and little things that we talk about on there. You can learn a lot from other people and their questions and the answers to different questions. So this being one of them, and I wanted to share that with everybody. So thank you, Michelle, and thank you for those that come to open office hours as well. And there is a little Tip Tuesday for you and how to actually shift and enter, shift and return to get those extra lines in a text message rather than sending automatically when you just hit enter or return. And that's it.